Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can turn off the picture-in-picture mode for websites you visit on the Brave browser. For example, videos you watch that get automatically displayed in picture-to-picture. Let us teach you and show you how to disable that feature here on Brave. What you need to do, guys, in the Brave browser is access your browser settings by clicking on these three lines here in the top right. Head over to settings here. And what you want to do next is click into privacy and security here on the left side. After that, click into site and shield settings there. Scroll down till you get to permissions, and here at the bottom, expand by clicking on additional permissions. And here scroll all the way down till you get to the automatic picture-in-picture mode. Click into it and simply switch from sites can enter picture-in-picture automatically to don't allow sites to enter picture-in-picture automatically, to turn off this feature so that websites from now on you visit won't be able to launch that picture-in-picture mode or window automatically. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.